Yeah. I saw the thing called ask Keeling. Me say fi ask Keeling. Only a question me have to ask him. Ask Keeling. Me say fi ask Keeling. Get him on the phone. Make me get fi ask him call. Mr. Beckford Keeling is his name. Reggae music business all over the world is his game. And so I'm going like them think him I got him, but him I go on with him think because him now left the game. Ask Keeling, myself, ask Keeling, bow! Ask Keeling, myself, ask Keeling, yo! Ask Keeling, myself, ask Keeling. Tony Culture Time right here on Roadblock Radio, segment called Ask Keeling. Let's get him on the phone. Good evening, Mr. Keeling Beckford. How are you doing, sir?
I'm all right, Mr. Tony Culture. Yeah.
All right.
I'm big up to your roadblock listeners. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Tony Culture Time presents the man called Keeling Beckford in this segment called Ask Keeling. Keeling, there have been some responses from the audience in regards to asking Keeling. Some of them I say, why are you cut Keeling so short? No, I know me cut Keeling short, still you know Keeling come short, and born short.
Just a part of life.
Yeah, man, straight. But in any event, some people brought up the subject of reggae. Like you told us that there was initially there was mento, ska, reggae, and then dancehall. What me leave out anything?
Uh, yeah, you leave out Rocksteady.
Rocksteady, all
And a
right.
part of it, they call Blue Beat too.
Blue beat and all right. So now out of all those genres or subgenres, the one of the most popular one, if not the most popular, is reggae.
It's reggae, yeah.
Yeah, and the term, the name reggae, I'm asking Keeling, who and where was this word reggae coined and by who? You know what I mean? So,
Yeah, well, reggae, yeah, well, see what happened, right?
yeah,
In the Rocksteady days, right?
yeah,
You got the big tree, right?
the big
The
tree, yeah.
big tree was the big tree was Coxon, Duke Reed, and Beverly's. So them ruled the Rocksteady era, right?
Yeah,
So Clancy Eccles and Scratch Perry used to work with Scratch. We used to work with Coxon.
okay,
So Coxon fired him.
yeah.
So they decided to change the beat. And
Uh,
that's how reggae come along.
all right, and
So Clancy,
for clarity, hold on, for clarity, let's get the people to understand who Clancy and Scratch Perry are. They were producers,
yeah, they was producer at those time, right?
right? And
Right. They used to produce for Coxon.
uh-huh,
Yeah, so Coxon, fired them and they decided to do their own thing.
right,
So Lee Perry have Upsetter and Clancy is Clancy this, something like that.
yeah,
I don't remember. Yeah,
yeah,
but Clancy have his own thing, right?
right,
So there was all on Orange Street,
okay.
right in front of Coxon Studio and Music City.
Oh, they're in the same place,
So they decided,
same location.
yeah,
Yeah,
the location, yeah, right across the street. Lee Perry and Clancy Eccles facing Coxon. Coxon have a store called Music City. They're
yeah,
facing each one of them.
right,
So they want to change the beat and Coxon, right?
yeah.
So there was a musician called Rickabacker.
Rickabacker.
He was, yeah. He played guitar as well, wicked guitarist.
Mm-hmm.
Same of a riff where nobody else have, right?
Yeah,
In the Rocksteady field.
yeah.
This all the man could have compare with him is Linted.
Okay,
Okay?
yeah,
So Clancy and Scratch decide to change the beat and another guy named Handicap, Linford Anderson.
yeah.
If you ever hear a song called Papa Top, Take a Sip, Papa Top, Take a Sip. Right, he produced that one. That was one of my biggest hit.
Okay,
Okay?
yeah,
Right? So that's how the whole thing come up, right? So Clancy made the first reggae song called Bagaboo. You can Google it.
Bagaboo.
And said, I am the king. Bagaboo, yeah.
Yeah,
I am the originator of this new beat called reggae.
oh,
So
okay,
that's the first reggae song. And on the same session, David Isaac did a song called Time is Marching On.
Right.
And a few weeks later, Scratch did People Funny Boy.
Okay.
Yeah, so those are the two first popular reggae songs.
Oh.
But Toots, they said Toots, but Toots wasn't there. Toots come from prison in the 69, 68, 69, right after that year there.
Right.
But reggae was before that. Yeah,
Oh, reggae was before
because
that.
reggae
Okay.
started, yeah, reggae started 68, late 68, going to 69. But see what happened? Most of the reggae that making that time did not hit.
Ah.
Rocksteady was still dominant.
Right.
Yeah.
And then I guess
So that's how it come.
Toots made a reggae song, and they took off from there. So.
Yeah. Toots' first song he make when he come from prison is 5446, produced by Warclean for Beverly's record. Then he come back again and he sing a song called Do the Reggae. But people do song before that with the name reggae in it. But see what happened? Beverly's was a big company. Them control all the media and the radio station and everything like that.
Right.
Clancy them was new producer trying something, right? So they didn't have the money to produce we are calling promote themselves like that.
Yeah.
So that's why yeah. So that's what happened.
Okay, so Toots was the
So what
benefactor.
Toots saying yeah, was the benefactor,
Yeah.
right? And I have whole heap of proof to it. Yeah. And then Bunny Lee come with Bangarang.
Oh, woman no one,
So
no
you have to say,
banglarang. Yeah, that one there.
yeah, so that is one of the first big reggae hit. But the biggest reggae hit of all time in those days, right, was never done in Jamaica.
Oh, really?
It was done in England, by a group called the Piglets. It's called Johnny Reggae. You can Google it and listen to it. That is the first reggae make the big chart in England.
No, yeah, that's where we got to make the distinction. No, when you say the biggest reggae, you're using the criteria of selling to, let's say, foreigners outside of Jamaica.
Numbers.
Because
remember Jamaica biggest market was jukebox.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't know nothing for play record and thing like that. We listened to Radio Fusion, ain't it?
Yeah.
When RGR and JBC was Radio Fusion, yeah, a few man have something to play record fan, and sound man.
Yeah.
So the biggest market, it was jukebox.
Wow. Look how far. Keeling, that's a whole heap of information in a bridge for process that. For process all like that. So
well, next
what?
Next time we go into it little deeper, because there's a lot of artists where tune get big, internationally, but nobody know them, and they didn't get no recognition,
Right.
So that's it. We never get paid because in those days, right?
Yeah.
It was a set fee, £20 when you sing a song. You don't get nothing more.
That's it, £20 when you sing a song.
£20. Songs go number 1 hour, sell how much record, you don't get nothing more.
No residuals, nothing like that, nothing.
No, nothing more. Because I remember it's late 70s come to 80s before Copyright Act started in Jamaica.
Oh. Wow. Late 70s.
And a lot of people up to now, up to now, a lot of people in Jamaica don't know nothing about copyright law, because the producer feels say when you sing the song, them own it, them don't own it.
Yeah,
it's 50% to the producer and 50% to the singer. But because the singer don't know, them get robbed.
Wow. And that sentiment with with producers still exists today.
Yeah, and again, you can't blame the producer them still too. Because when they go to England and show John record, them never understand certain thing about contract. A man don't look on contract. Him just want to take the money and gone, ain't it? Multiply it in a Jamaica and him just gone, right?
Yeah.
So eventually, John won the whole tune outright.
So that being a very important aspect of the recording business, Mr. Keeling Beckford, what would you advise people today who are from when on, as far as your wisdom regarding contracts and such, to avoid the problems that you and your colleagues went through and endured?
Well, today is a different thing. The younger singers, them kind of understand it more,
Yeah,
because we set the pace, right?
yeah,
And we never know where we are going because when now people get the chance to travel and all of them things there. We never get the chance to travel.
yeah,
All we do is just sing round town and all island because nobody never going anywhere, right? The most where you go is England, like the Pat Kelly and some of them go make it early and like Owen Gray and them guys there. But still when them die England, them never even into publishing more than so.
yeah.
It's just like BBC and Babandi. Them didn't know about publishing, but them don't tell nobody. Everybody keep it to
Yeah,
themselves. Let
well,
them know.
that that's a bad
You have to go for find out yourself. Yeah.
that's a bad thing about us as a people. We not share the ins and outs of things that we learn in life and lessons in business. We don't share them. We'll try hold on upon them ourselves. Not good.
Oh no. We just keep it to yourself. You're the big man, so you know what going. And it still happen now too. It still happen now. But not so frequent like it used to be.
Yeah, well, watch out. My statistics of as far as history in reggae music, I see that today apparently was the date in what year was that now? That Harry Belafonte recorded Deo and then them called it Banana Man song or something like that, which I think it better off a name Deo. Can you add any perspective on that you know of?
Well, that was before my time.
Before your
I come
time.
up in a rock steady in
There
my
you go.
time, right? But I learned a lot from my uncle. My uncle made the first big record in Jamaica. Easy snapping.
Easy snapping.
So he taught me a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Carefulous Beckford.
That we got to talk about next time for real. We have so many things to talk about. So, watch out, Mr. Keeling Beckford. Enough respect and thanks once again for being a part of Ask Keeling this week on Roadblock with the Tony Culture Time on Monday nights. Jano, big time thing. See?
Yes, Mr. Tony Kodja. Thank you for the platform for telling the story about reggae. All right.
Absolutely.
So next time we take it on. Okay.
Yes, sir. Live up, Mr. Keeling Beckford. We're gonna play your tune right now on Roadblock
Flex
with
up.
us. Straight.
Flex
Yeah.
up right now.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Bless you. Oh, now I got you on the ear. You're on the ear now.
Oh, you got me.
I
Okay.
got you, yeah. So,
I'm listening to the radio in the distance. I hope there's not a reverberating. So
No.
let me know.
ladies and gentlemen, this is Rupert T. Now, mind you, just let's say before Rupert T says anything, I used to take the call straight on the ear, but then we say, all right, bum, look and see who I call for. So, Rupert, respect, you say put you up on the ear before we can talk what we have to talk about.
Yeah, you don't want to put everybody for the ear. It's called audition. You want to screen the call. Yes. You never know. Want to hear, some of us DJs, we dabble in music, and you never know. One of the females might call you that you don't want to get on the ear. As in, you're listening.
Rupert,
Let me clear that up.
I have no such persons in my life. Everybody who talk to me can come up front.
Okay, all right, cool. Love the program. Love the program.
Thank
Listen, Keeling touch a nerve,
Did he?
Yes, him touch a nerve, man.
Keeling, Keeling not down the line anymore, but what you say, hold on, what kind of nerves Keeling touch?
All right. As I was listening to him, the final words he made mention is that Bugsy. I'm going to say Bugsy. And Keeling, if you're listening, you know who Bugsy is. You remember who he said was his uncle?
Yes, yeah, him same uncle.
Mr. Easy Snapping.
Yeah, Mr. Easy Snapping.
Now, a history I got on, I don't try to bore my listeners with most of this because I got a lot. Yes, but I just enjoy it. It's the first time I'm hearing you and Keeling tonight, and I'm loving it because it really takes me to a place.
Wicked. Aye, wonderful.
And you hear me drop a promo about Trenchtown. That's where I was born.
Yes.
Now, Theophilus Beckford lived right across from me. I used to play with his kids.
Oh, yeah? What?
Yes, man. My gate there, so, and Theophilus Beckford, they cross the road. So, Mr. Keeling, if you're listening, I don't know if we were the same age group. And I'm not going to tell the year I was born on the air. But we go back. The man touched a nerve. The man said, Theophilus Beckford, I'm uncle. Theophilus Beckford name was Bugsy.
Yeah, well,
And I used to play with his kids.
yo, that's the connection I'm talking about. I'm really happy to hear this kind of thing, because
And if Mr. Keeling is listening, and he grew up in Trenchtown, where I grew up in, because if Theophilus Beckford was his uncle, he's got to know this. My stepfather's name was Isaac.
watch out.
You understand?
Watch out.
Yes. So Keeling, hold on for that. You know exactly who I am. Because me and Keeling probably run up and down in a Trenchtown to play together, play marbles and all these things.
Well,
Yeah. All right.
now I gotta
So we're
ask,
going to leave it right there.
I gotta ask Keeling now. You know that? That's the name of the segment. Ask Keeling. I gotta ask Keeling. Yo, Rupert, no respect for
Yes,
that.
probably. Maximum.
Yes,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, the man called Rupert T. The man who was on the air right here in Roadback with it before I start my program at 10 o'clock. Rupert T is here from 8 p.m. until 10 p.m. So, big up yourself, Rupert T. Yeah, obviously. Man, there, yo, trying to get back to Monica right now. Musical player on that straight up. It's Tony Culture Time as Roadblock Radio.
One of them days.
It's just one of them days.
When I wanna be all alone. It's just
I
one
thought
of
I'd play some Monica's songs.
these